Looking for the best keyboard cleaning brush set but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best keyboard cleaning brush set based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. This VICHYIE Multifunctional Cleaner Kit is a powerhouse of cleaning solutions for anyone who wants to tackle a variety of tasks. From cleaning keyboards to headphones, this kit has everything you need to keep your devices spotless. With its range of brushes, cleaning pens, and other accessories, this kit is a solid investment for anyone who wants a reliable cleaning solution that can handle any job. Number 4. This keyboard cleaning kit is a comprehensive solution for anyone who wants to keep their keyboard clean and their workspace organized. With its retractable brush, polishing cloth, and keycap puller, this kit has everything you need to deep clean your keyboard. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, this kit is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their keyboard in top condition. Number 3. This portable brush kit is a versatile cleaning solution for anyone who needs to tackle a variety of tasks. From fine details to heavy-duty scrubbing, these brushes have you covered. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this kit is a great addition to your toolkit. It's a solid choice for anyone who wants a reliable cleaning solution that can handle any job. Number 2. For those who need a simple, no-frills cleaning solution, this mini brush kit gets the job done. Its durable construction and anti-static bristles make it perfect for quick cleanups. Whether you're using it at home or at the office, this kit is a great value for its price. It's a great tool for anyone who wants to keep their devices clean without breaking the bank. Number 1. This Ordilend all-in-one cleaning kit is a game-changer for anyone with a cluttered workspace. Its precision-engineered accessories make quick work of cleaning even the most delicate electronics. From gamers to remote professionals, this kit has everything you need to keep your devices spotless. If you're tired of hunting for the right cleaning tool, this comprehensive kit is a must-have. It's a solid investment for anyone who wants to keep their workspace organized and their devices clean. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.